I'm no marriage expert yet. However, I wanted to share with y'all 5 principles of keeping your marriage happy. 1, always tell the truth to each other. 2, always listen to what the other person has to say. 3, eliminate criticism from your relationship. 4, live in thankfulness and appreciation. And 5, listen to the entire conversation. May your marriage draw you closer as you share your hopes and dreams. May your faith love and sustain you no matter what you face. May you prosper in health and wealth and happiness. And may you be surrounded by those who love you all of the days of your lives. To Mr. and Mrs. Gray.
There's one thing left to do.
What's that?
Storm, Michaela, now pronounce you husband and wife. Storm, you may kiss your bride.